you're like 2/3 of Americans, there's a beast in the belly of your home. 50,000 BTUs heating your entire house. Seems excessive when sometimes you just want to heat yourself. Space heaters can be dangerous, and nobody wants to walk around inside just like they are outside. If you or a loved one are aging or living a sedentary lifestyle, wouldn't you want to tame that beast, hone the power at your desk, on the couch? And I'm telling you, you can be more comfortable and be more efficient in your home. Hi, I'm Matt Mellinger. I'm the CEO of HeatBuddy, and we intend to give you greater utility out of your home heating system. Our flagship product is the HeatBuddy. It is a replacement pop-in vent register. It has a fully contained hose that extends to where you're at to drive the heat straight to you. When not in use, you fully contain it within, conveniently, the unit, and it functions and looks like normal. Following a successful Kickstarter in the next couple months, we're looking to raise another $200,000 for working capital to scale. Let's talk.